In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off sticky keys on your Toshiba desktop computer, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says sticky keys near the top, you can toggle this to the off position by clicking inside this oval one time, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.